Beauty isn't about spending hours or hundreds on products, it's about smart, simple hacks that actually work. In this first batch, we're diving into 3 quick and powerful tricks that will wake up your skin, smooth your lips, and give your hair an instant boost of life. Let's get started. Ice Cube Facial for glowing skin. Ever look in the mirror in the morning and see puffiness, tired eyes, or dull skin? This one hack will refresh your face instantly, making you look bright and awake in minutes. Wrap a fresh ice cube in a clean soft cloth. Gently rub your face in small circular motions, focusing on puffiness around your eyes and cheeks. Don't press too hard to avoid redness. Optional. Spritz a little rose water on the ice cube before rubbing to add hydration and a gentle floral scent. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes, enough to feel the skin tighten slightly. Tips: expected result. Use this daily or whenever your skin feels tired. Skin instantly looks refreshed, tighter, and glows naturally. This also helps your makeup apply smoother later. Coconut Oil Hair Mask. Dry, frizzy, or dull hair? Forget expensive salon treatments. This hack will transform your hair from lifeless to silky smooth using something you probably already have in your kitchen. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and warm slightly for easy application. Massage into the scalp first to stimulate blood flow, then work down to the hair tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes, or for an intensive treatment, leave overnight using a shower cap. Rinse thoroughly with shampoo. Optional tip: add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil for added shine and hair growth benefits. Tips: expected result. Use 1 to 2 times per week for best results. Hair will feel softer, shinier, and more manageable. Frizz is reduced, and split ends appear less noticeable. DIY Lip Scrub. Cracked, dry lips? Your lipstick won't look perfect if your lips aren't smooth. Let's fix that in under 2 minutes with this natural, effective scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of honey until it forms a slightly sticky paste. Gently rub the mixture on your lips in small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Optional. Follow with a little lip balm to lock in moisture. Tips: expected result. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for consistently soft, plump lips. Lips instantly feel smooth and look healthier. Perfect before applying lipstick or gloss to prevent flaking. Now that we've refreshed our skin, softened our lips, and revived our hair, it's time to tackle tired eyes, nourish your skin overnight, and fix oily hair in a flash. These next 3 hacks are simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. Green Tea Eye Compress. Dark circles, puffiness, or that tired look? You don't need expensive eye creams. A simple tea bag can work wonders and make your eyes look brighter and refreshed in minutes. Steep 2 green tea bags in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and allow them to cool completely. Place the tea bags over your closed eyes and relax for 5 to 10 minutes. Optional. Lie down with a cool cloth over your face for maximum refreshment. Tip: you can also keep the tea bags in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. Tips: expected result. Use daily or whenever your eyes feel tired. Reduces puffiness, eases swelling, and brightens dark circles naturally. Perfect before makeup application to look instantly awake. Aloe Vera Overnight Face Treatment. Dry skin, acne, or irritation? Aloe vera isn't just soothing, it's a natural healer. Let's give your skin a hydration boost overnight. Take fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf, or 100% pure gel. Apply a thin, even layer all over the face and neck before bed. Avoid rubbing too hard, just gently smooth it on. Leave overnight and wash in the morning with lukewarm water. Optional. Mix a few drops of honey for extra hydration and antibacterial effect. Tips: expected result. Great for dry, irritated, or blemished skin. Leaves skin feeling soft, calm, and hydrated. Over time, reduces redness and minor acne marks. DIY Dry Shampoo with Cornstarch. No time to wash your hair but need it looking fresh? This dry shampoo hack is a game changer, reviving oily roots instantly without water. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, or arrowroot powder for darker hair. Sprinkle lightly on the roots of your hair, focusing on oily areas. Gently massage into the scalp to absorb excess oil. Brush out the powder thoroughly. Optional. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to smell amazing. Tips: expected result. Perfect for emergencies or quick fixes between washes. Hair looks fresh, voluminous, and oil-free instantly. Safe for all hair types and doesn't leave residue if applied carefully. We've revived tired eyes, hydrated our skin, and freshened up our hair. Now, it's time for the final batch. A brighter smile, radiant skin, stronger hair, and deeply nourished skin. These last 4 hacks are easy, natural, and can be done at home with simple ingredients. Coconut oil pulling, natural teeth brightening. Want a brighter smile without damaging your enamel? This gentle, natural method has been used for centuries and might be the safest DIY option for fresher breath and cleaner-looking teeth. Take 1 tablespoon of pure coconut oil, preferably organic and unrefined. Place it in your mouth. It will melt quickly from solid to liquid. Swish the oil around your mouth slowly and gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Move it between your teeth. Avoid swallowing. Spit the oil into a trash bin, not the sink, as it can clog pipes. Rinse your mouth with warm water. Brush your teeth normally afterward. For best results, do this in the morning before eating or drinking anything. Tips: expected result. Start with 5 minutes if 15 feels too long, then gradually increase. Do it 3 to 4 times per week or daily if comfortable. Do not swallow the oil, it contains bacteria pulled from the mouth. It may help reduce plaque, improve breath, and make teeth appear cleaner and slightly brighter over time. Turmeric and Yogurt Face Pack. Dull skin making you look tired? This golden face pack combines turmeric and yogurt to brighten, nourish, and even your skin tone naturally. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons plain yogurt until smooth. Apply evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to dry slightly. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Optional. Add a few drops of honey for extra moisture and antibacterial properties. Tips: expected result. Skin looks radiant, refreshed, and more even-toned. Can help reduce minor blemishes and acne marks over time. Use 2 to 3 times a week for consistent glow. Hair growth massage with essential oils. Dreaming of longer, thicker hair? This quick massage not only feels amazing but also stimulates your scalp for natural hair growth. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut or olive oil with 2 to 3 drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp in gentle, circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deep treatment. Wash with a gentle shampoo afterward. Tips: expected result. Stimulates blood flow, strengthening hair roots. Hair appears thicker, healthier, and more voluminous over time. Can be done 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Banana and oatmeal face mask. Dry or dull skin? Treat your skin like dessert with this natural banana and oatmeal mask that moisturizes and nourishes deeply. Mash half a ripe banana and mix with 1 tablespoon of oatmeal until smooth. Apply evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes to let your skin soak up the nutrients. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Optional. Add a teaspoon of honey or yogurt for extra hydration. Tips: expected result. Skin feels soft, nourished, and deeply hydrated. Great for sensitive or dry skin. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results and long-lasting softness. And there you have it, 10 amazing beauty hacks you can do at home with natural, simple ingredients. From refreshing your skin with an ice cube, to softening lips, nourishing hair, brightening your smile, and giving your skin that radiant glow, these hacks cover it all. Remember, consistency is key. Try these hacks 2 to 3 times a week, or daily for some, and you'll start seeing the transformation in no time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more beauty tips, and share this video with friends who need these hacks too. Have a favorite hack, or maybe a beauty tip you swear by? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.